Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the C-sharp chord, also known as C-sharp major. First we locate our root note. It's called C-sharp, one key up from C. We place our first finger there. Then we locate our next note. It's the note F. Place our third finger there. Then we locate our last note. It's called G-sharp. Place our fifth finger there. So there you have it, the C-sharp major chord. Now, because the C-sharp major is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. Firstly, we have the root inversion. We already played this because the root note is at the bottom. To make the next inversion, we move the root note, C-sharp, all the way to the top, like this. We move our hand. So there you have it, the C-sharp major chord, first inversion. To make the next inversion, again we move the bottom note, this time F, all the way to the top, like this. Move our hand. There you have it, the C-sharp chord, second inversion. Now you'll notice, if I make one more inversion, moving the bottom note all the way to the top, like this, you will in fact be back at the root note inversion, just like the one we started with. So this is root note inversion, and this is root note inversion. Alright, let's do it again. C-sharp chord, root inversion. Move the note to the top. C-sharp, first inversion. Move the bottom note to the top. C-sharp, second inversion. And if we do it one more time, like this. C-sharp, root inversion. Okay? Now to practice these inversions, you do like this. Root inversion. First inversion, second inversion, root inversion, and all the way down again, root inversion, top note to the bottom, second inversion, top note to the bottom, first inversion, top note to the bottom, root inversion. Now lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice these inversions using Arpeggios. There you have it, the C-sharp major chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.